All right, traders, it's Irvin here. Welcome back, everyone. Welcome back to another week. On this video today, I'm gonna give you some amazing setup. I'm gonna tell you exactly what EURUSD is gonna do this coming week. Sorry guys, I was on vacation last week, so I didn't record any video. I was celebrating my birthday. But however, I'm here back. I'm back. So I'm gonna give you EURUSD today. I'm gonna give you gold. I'm gonna tell you why gold is doing what it's doing. I'm gonna break down each pair with detail so you can understand how to trade the market. Another pair that I'm gonna give you is USDJPY. This is an amazing pair to trade, guys. This is a phenomenal pair, so I'm gonna break it down anyway, so stay with me to the end, guys. Even if you follow one or two or all pairs that I'm gonna give you, something will make sense to you. All right, let's go ahead and start with the very first pair of the week, and that is going to be EURUSD. Boom! This is the way we're gonna do it. All the pairs that I'm gonna give you guys, the following, you guys will understand, but the whole thing here is to understand the whole breakdown, the whole weekly analysis that I'm gonna do. So this is the very first thing that you need to pay attention when you are looking into the market, guys. It's very important to look at the dashboard. The dashboard will give you the answer. I love to pay attention what 4 hours and daily is doing. Just by looking at the dashboard, you see that we have green boxes in there, so that means the EURUSD today is still in a buy trend. Next week is still gonna be in a buy trend. So at least we already have a heads up in there letting us know what the market is doing, right? So again, all we're seeing here is the 4 hours and daily time frame is in a buy. That's all we're seeing. The next step that you need to pay attention, let me put an arrow here so you will not get confused. So we know the market is in a buy, but so this is, you know what, let me delete everything. Let me show you like you never seen it before. So this is how multiple time frame work. We wait for multiple time frame shows up, then our TW sniper entry, then we're looking for stairs. When the market give you this rest stay here, it means the market here is only going in one direction, which is selling. When the market flips and it goes in the other side of the aisle, this is what you need to understand, because this is very important. So this is what we're looking for. Let me see if I can delete all the arrows so I can show you the difference of going in a buy trend, right? So this, here it is. Look, we always need to pay attention. Where's the multiple time frame heading? It's telling us in there it's in a buy trend. Look at the TW sniper entry. The TW sniper entry is always gonna be in a yellow arrow. Look at here, tell you it's up. It tell you here there's in a sell trend. It tell you the market is in a buy again. But look at here. It's telling us that we're in a buy trend. Look at the stair. Boom, 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 boom. And what is the trend doing? Boom. Market went up. Market retraced. Market going back up again. But look at the dashboard. The dashboard will always give you the answer. So when on the next part that I'm gonna explain you guys, pay close attention to that detail so you will see the market in a different point of view. Look, by just giving you what I've just give you right now, straight to the point, you will understand, you know, what your support and resistance are and so forth. But I'm on other instructors on the that teach you how to read the market. They're gonna confuse you guys. They will confuse you, and then I'm gonna teach you exactly what I'm teaching you here. Look, now I'm gonna teach you. Look. Before I teach you reality, because I like to teach reality. What is 4 hours and daily doing? Boom, it's in a buy trend. Now let's go ahead and check the real trend, because that's what you're gonna make money out of it. You are gonna be making money on real trend. Look at the real trend. What is the multiple time frame doing? Boom, it's telling us we're not buy trend. What is the TW sniper entry doing? It boom, we're not buy trend. Look at the stairs. Boom, 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 and boom. Look at the trend. Where is the trend going? Boom. Market is only going in one direction only, and that it is a buy trend. Why is it a buy trend? You already spotted before you did your weekly analysis on the dashboard. The dashboard gave you the answer of exactly what was happening. Do you guys see any rest there here telling us that you need to pull a sell? No, you are not seeing that. This market here still in a buy trend. And that's it. That's it. I'm telling you guys. That's it. Do not get confused because you will regret it. Now, let me fix this because in my opinion, market is gonna come back to your 0 Fibonacci level. From there, market will drop and it's gonna give us a, what do you think it's gonna give us, guy? And this, look, this is for this coming week here. If you pay attention, market here is coming and it's gonna give us a surprise. It's gonna tell us the market is in a sell position, but nothing is there yet. So we're gonna be looking for a pullback, guy. It's gonna retest this previous, look at that, this previous multiple time frame, and then we'll continue back up. In my opinion, this is what I think the market will do, guys. This is me, guys. This is, I'm seeing here the first shoulder, and then we're gonna see here the head, and then we're gonna be creating the second shoulder. Maybe in December we are gonna be looking for a EURUSD as a sell position, but currently right now as we speak, the market, it is in a buy trend, nothing else, guys. Do you have any question, guys? If you need help, you want me to teach you how to trade, please let me know. The link is in the description of this video. And do me a favor, guys, make sure everybody subscribe. I'm seeing that there's a lot of people that have not subscribed. They do watch the video, but they don't subscribe, so please do that, okay? Let me show you the next pair, guys. The next pair that I'm gonna give you is gonna blow your mind, and that is going to be, what do you think it's gonna be, guys? What do you think it's gonna be? What do you think it's gonna be? The next pair, it is USDJPY. Boom! Look at the dashboard, guys. You already got the answer. You already have the answer. Look at the dashboard. I love to pay attention 4 hours in daily time frame. It's here. Look at that. It's red. What do you mean? What does the red stand for? It's telling us that you're not sell. Just by looking at the dashboard, guys, you already got the answer. Now we're gonna do the full weekly analysis. We're gonna go to real trend, real data, things that has not happened yet. All right, so let's go do it together because that's what you're here for. And the next pair that I'm gonna give you, I want you to pay the exact same attention that you're paying to this pair, guys. All right, let's go ahead. Look at that. Look at the trend. What is the multiple time frame? You already got the answer on the dashboard. Now it's easy. It's easy. You're gonna understand why USDJPY is in a sell trend. Look at here, guys. Look at here. Look, guys, this is an amazing pair to trade this coming week, guys. USDJPY is gonna be making hundreds and hundreds of dollars on the market. Look at that, multiple time frame is in a sell trend. Look at the TW sniper entry, boom, selling. Look at the stairs, boom. Look at the trend. Where is the trend heading, guys? Boom, trend is selling. How far is this sales gonna go? In my opinion, it's gonna come back and retest this previous multiple time frame, which is gonna be between your 61 to your 78 Fibonacci level. From there, market is gonna do a pullback. Where, how far is that pullback is gonna go? It's gonna come back and retest this previous multiple time frame, and then we're gonna continue selling. Overall, USDJPY, it is selling. What are you gonna do, guys? USDJPY, it is selling. Guys, I get very excited. Bear with me, please. Bear with me, guys. Whew, I'm telling you, guys. I'm telling you. Any question, guys? What do you guys think about this USDJPY analysis, guys? A lot of people are gonna charge you for what I'm giving you here. I'm giving you for free, guys. I'm giving you. This is how we use the multiple time frame. Period. Look at when the USDJPY was in a buy trend. TW snapper entry come in. Look at the stairs. Boom, 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 boom. Where the trend went? It went up. Now look at that. TW showed up. Market is falling. I'm telling you guys, this business is freaking amazing. All right, so let me show you the next pair, guys. The next pair is going to blow your mind, and that it is XAUUSD. Boom! Look at the dashboard. It's a little bit confused. Some of you will be like, wait. Why is 4 hours in the green and why is the daily time frame in a red folder. Some of you might be saying that. So here is the answer. This is why you should be subscribing to our channel so you never, ever, ever miss any video again. Carlo, let me show you. Let me show you. 1 second. Let me show you. Because this is going to blow your mind. I'm telling you. Look at the dashboard. I got, guys, guess what? I have one of my traders that just showed up right now. And that dude is getting excited. I'm telling you. Look at the 4 hours. 4 hours is telling us that we are in a buy. Look at the daily time frame. The daily time frame is telling us that we're in a sell. So there's a misunderstanding here. If the 4 hours and daily time frame are not communicating, it's not your job to trade a pair like that, because 4 hours is doing a pullback. The original trend here is in a sell trend. Let me show you. Let me show you real data so you never trade these pairs like that again. All right, so here it is. Look at that. Look here. What is gold doing overall? Look here. I told you the daily time frame is in a sell trend. Look at here. Multiple time frame here selling. Look at the TW snapper entry. Boom, it's selling. Look at the stairs. Boom, boom, boom. Look at where's the original trend doing here. Boom. Oops. Let me grab the arrow, not the box. Look at the original trend. Boom. Ah, I did it again. Let me do the arrow one more time. Look at that. Boom. It's selling. What happened here, guys? Look at here. What happened in here? Here's the multiple time frame telling us the 4 hours here is in a buy trend. So this is considered a pullback. So pullback is game over. So in my opinion, this is what the market is gonna do. Market is gonna come back and retest this previous multiple time frame once. From here, overall, it's gonna continue selling down because AUD/USD gold is selling, guys. Gold is gonna come back. Let me fix this pair. I got too much arrows in here. Let me fix this. Oops. In my opinion, gold is gonna drop all the way to your 38.2 Fibonacci level, and then from there it's gonna do a small pullback, but then the week is over. Why I'm thinking the market is gonna come back and drop all the way to our 38? Because here's our previous multiple time frame, and then from there market will retrace, and guess what? You guys should be making hundreds and hundreds of dollars. Guys, remember one thing: never trade any money you cannot afford to lose. Guys, this business is better risk it. If you don't know how to trade, please ask for help, guys. If you want me to teach you how to trade, please let me know. The link is on the description. You can get in touch with me, guys. If you want to get the multiple time frame, there is a 40% off till December 31st. So take advantage of that 40% off, okay? So you can trade with Rule, because the 2025 Forex Trading Guide is coming next to it. So we get 23, 24, 25. So if you don't know how to trade in this coming year, in 2024, then you should master the market by the end of 2024 going to 2025. All right, so once again, guys, I want to thank everybody for being here. God bless you. God bless your family. God bless the world, and pray for the world, guys, for peace, love, and stay safe. So I will see you guys back on the next side of the aisle. Hasta la vista, baby. Boom. Tim with Irvin.